Hey there, my name is David, and this is your easy guide to meditation practice. There are 13 videos in this series, and right now you're watching video 4, How to Breathe. Within the yoga tradition, it's quite common for practitioners to use a series of breathing exercises before they begin their meditation practice. So in this video, I'm just going to share 2 breathing exercises that you can do to help you to relax the body, internalize your attention, and focus your mind. The first exercise is often referred to as deep breathing, or sometimes the baby breath. For this, essentially what you're doing is you're filling the lower lungs with air, and then in continuing to breathe in, you're filling the upper lungs. So I'm just going to stand up to show you how to maneuver your hands. So placing your hands on your belly, inhale, and feel your belly rise, pushing your fingers apart. And then moving your hands up to your chest, continuing to inhale with the same breath, feel your fingers being pushed apart. And then exhaling, feel as your fingers come back together as your upper lungs deflate, moving your hands to your belly. On the exhalation, feel your fingers come back together as your lower lungs deflate. And just to do it again. So you can repeat this exercise 2 or 3 times. The purpose is to bring air to the body, bring oxygen to the body so that it can relax, and to relax the nervous system. When people are stressed, frightened, nervous, when they're in a fight, flight, or freeze state, they're quite often breathing, just filling their upper lungs. They're breathing in their chest, and this is quite shallow. And this, constantly breathing like this, exhausts the nervous system. So by doing this deep breathing practice, you're relaxing the nervous system and the body begins to relax. The second exercise is called alternate nostril breathing. Now, for this, you're going to use your strong hand, in my case my right hand. I'm going to place my index finger and my middle finger in the center of my forehead, like this. And then I'm going to use my thumb to open and close my right nostril, and I'm going to use my ring finger and my little finger to open and close my left nostril. So, placing my fingers in my forehead, I close my right nostril with my thumb, and I inhale through the left nostril. And keeping my right nostril closed, I close my left nostril with my fingers. I hold the breath, and then keeping the left nostril closed, I open the right nostril and breathe out. I can hold the breath for a moment and then breathe in. Then closing both nostrils, hold the breath, opening the left nostril, exhaling, and I can hold it a moment and then breathing in again. Now, the idea with this practice is that the airflow is the same on inhalation and on exhalation. So you're trying to keep the ratio of breathing in, holding the breath, exhaling, and holding the breath. You want to keep them more or less the same. You don't have to be fanatical. The idea behind this is that your left nostril and your right nostril have a direct relationship to the hemispheres of your brain. Your left nostril is directly related to the right hemisphere of your brain, and your right nostril is directly related to the left hemisphere of your brain. So when the air is flowing through the left nostril, it's stimulating and activating the right hemisphere of the brain, and vice versa with the right nostril and the left hemisphere of the brain. So by balancing the airflow between the 2 nostrils, you're balancing the activity in both hemispheres of the brain, and you're helping them to harmonize, to synchronize. This is very good for our meditation practice. You may find that when you sit down to do this practice, that one of your nostrils is slightly blocked. The air doesn't flow as smoothly. This is quite natural and quite normal, don't worry. If it's uncomfortable, don't force the practice. It's okay. So once you've completed one or both of these exercises, you can just continue to sit in your meditation posture and allow your breathing to return to its normal rhythm. You don't need to force it, you don't need to control it, you don't need to do anything. Just let it be as it was. Just let it flow naturally. And then we're ready to begin our meditation.